then another thing affecting rena batho ba bantsho most of
Yeah.
the time it's looking back where you come from.
Oh,
utlwisisa di a re delay di re betha ka nako ya nneteng nna I think gore a kenya go bala situation sa ka kere ke flopile or byang or whatever e iralang ya mflopisa no because I care too much ka family yaka.
Yes.
So some people they don't know, they can say any manager mo leveleng a leng mo yona why as na want to why as na I can.
Yes.
I can, but I start where I come from.
Yes, so thoma go jarteng pele
ya go arahola pila so tshwantse ke make sure
mola le mola ya
wa utlwisisa and then le bana ba go nna ba sa grow so ba need that thing
the support
wa butung kiretse 1 2 wa utlwisisa so
and ka mo you also building a house
ke aha ntlu ka mo ene
o ka wa ha mansion lo yena dajo
I found me happen now izore as I gerato wa itse gerateng a gerato re kere selo ke tla thoma mo ka tlamo if ke nya ka selo ka senyaka
yes
ne bang encourage le nna ba mpotsa ka mkho ba re jo wa o sa thomi ka 2 room nya
wa ba itse batho again
o tla extend so nna ke thomo ya nna enka re nya gore a hantlo ke thoma from scratch ke namelelo
we face
ene ke a hantlo ke nyaka
sing for so long kani wena o inyaka ng street
so ke mothomo bya if ke nyaka something I rather maybe save money
and
then ke khono sira